I've been listening to our customers and looking at what we see every day in the shop to give you the clearest explanation of why your car vibrates when you brake. A lot of people come in worried, saying things like, the steering wheel shakes when I brake, and they wonder, could it be something serious? And that already gives us a clue about the common causes. In many cases, the main cause is brake rotors that have warped over time. Several customers have told us that after replacing them, the vibrations disappeared. They changed the rotors, and now the car brakes smoothly without jerking. A shop technician explains that even a slight warp can make the pedal feel uneven and cause the steering wheel to shake at certain speeds. Another important factor is worn or improperly installed brake pads. Some customers have shared experiences like this. The mechanic told me that one pad was more worn than the other, and that was what was causing the vibration. Well, this causes uneven contact with the rotor, so the vehicle feels unstable when stopping. Sometimes the vibrations don't come directly from the brakes, but from unbalanced wheels or worn tires. One of our customers found that balancing the wheels solved almost the entire problem and told me, I thought it was the brakes, but after balancing the wheels, everything was perfect. The technicians tell me that even small imbalances are noticeable when braking and can be mistaken for a brake issue. In less common cases, the cause lies in the bushings, bearings, or suspension. One of the mechanics mentioned, sometimes the vibration comes from the suspension and customers think it's the brakes, but when we check, we find parts with play. Inspecting the entire system allows you to eliminate the vibration at its source and ensure safe, comfortable braking. Some manufacturers have published technical bulletins for certain models in order to adjust brake disc tolerances or update maintenance procedures. Customers who followed these recommendations reported immediate improvements. One of them told me in an interview, after performing the procedure recommended by the brand, the car brakes without any vibrations. In the shop, we always recommend checking the discs, pads, wheel balancing, and suspension to identify the exact cause and fix the problem properly. And that's why I've left you this video that you're about to see on the screen so that you don't run into these kinds of problems.